If you've ever stared at an angry customer email wondering how to respond without making things worse, this might be one of the most useful ways to use Claude AI. Customer service conversations drain people. Refund requests, one-star reviews, upset customers demanding answers, and those awkward moments where you have to say no without destroying the relationship. Most people either over-apologize, sound defensive, or spend way too long rewriting the same email over and over again. Claude fixes that. And today, I'm going to show you how businesses are using Claude to handle difficult customer conversations in minutes instead of stressing over every word. Let's start with the angry customer email. You know the kind. All caps, multiple exclamation points, threatening to never buy from you again. Most people panic before replying, and that usually makes the response worse. Instead, paste the email into Claude and say, "You're a professional customer service rep for my business." Write a calm, empathetic response that acknowledges the frustration, takes responsibility where appropriate, and offers a clear next step. Don't over-apologize and don't sound defensive. That's it. Claude will usually give you something balanced, professional, and surprisingly human sounding in seconds. Then you can tweak the tone, adjust the offer, and send it without wasting half your afternoon stressing over wording. Now let's talk about refund requests, because this is where businesses accidentally lose customers forever. If you say no badly, you're not just denying the refund, you're damaging the relationship and probably creating a bad review too. Try this prompt. A customer is requesting a refund outside our 30-day policy. They're frustrated but polite. Write a response that declines the refund respectfully, explains the policy clearly, and offers an alternative, like store credit or a discount on a future order. What makes Claude good at this is that it doesn't just say no, it leaves the door open, and that changes how the customer walks away from the conversation. Next up, one-star reviews. These feel personal when they happen, but future customers care more about your response than the review itself. They're watching how you handle problems. A customer left a one-star review saying our product arrived damaged and customer service was slow to respond. Write a public response that's professional, empathetic, and shows we've taken action. Claude can turn a bad situation into something that actually improves trust in your brand because people don't expect perfection anymore. They expect professionalism. Now here's the hardest one for most people: saying no to loyal customers. Maybe they're asking for a huge discount, an exception to policy, or something you simply can't do. You can't always say yes, but you can control how the no feels. Try this. A long-term customer is asking for a 40% discount we can't offer. Write a warm, professional response that declines the request, acknowledges their loyalty, and offers a smaller goodwill gesture. Claude is incredibly good at handling this balance. The customer feels respected, you protect your margins, and the relationship stays intact. And here's one more that's incredibly useful: live de-escalation scripts. A lot of customer service teams don't need full emails. They just need fast phrases they can use during tense calls or live chats. Ask Claude, "Give me 10 natural de-escalation phrases a customer service rep can use during a tense conversation." Make them sound human, calm, and solution-focused. What you'll get back is basically a ready-to-use cheat sheet your team can start using immediately. And honestly, that's the bigger picture here. Claude isn't replacing customer service. It's helping people communicate better under pressure. Hard conversations are part of every business. They just don't have to feel impossible anymore. Claude handles the wording. You handle the relationship. If this gave you some ideas, hit subscribe and turn on notifications because I've got a lot more real-world Claude workflows coming. And smash the like button if you want more videos like this one. I'll see you tomorrow.